Hello, this is Tim with Discovering the High Life, and today we're at another park in Curitiba, Brazil. I don't know how to pronounce it. Parque Tanguá, right there. That's the name. But this is really beautiful. Check it out. It was a nice walk up to the top for the view. Let's check out the view from this side. Look at down there. Well, we came here because it says that there's a waterfall, but as you can see, it looks pretty dry. Nothing coming out of the waterfall right now. Man, if you are visiting Curitiba and you're looking for a park with a view, this is pretty nice, and this is one of the stops that you can take on the tour bus that we did yesterday. We just didn't stop yesterday because of the rain. The view looks pretty good from up here. Now we're gonna go down and check it out from below. Oh, the views here are pretty amazing. Oh, there's a small cafeteria underneath the structure. We found a little trail here that looks like it goes down to the water. Let's check it out and see where it goes. Well, this trail led us down here to another lookout point. This used to be an old rock quarry, so you can kind of start to see it there. Maybe we need to go farther to get the full view. Oh, let's see where this little trail goes to. Whoa. I guess it stops right here. Let's see where this little trail goes. Wow, now we're like in the middle of a bamboo forest. I don't know how much farther I want to go. I might get lost. Oh man, it's getting pretty tight here now. I think we found an exit point.
Yeah, it's right here.
All right. Yeah, but I don't want to exit that way. Let's go back. Well, we're to the bottom, and now there's this really cool trail. Check this out. It's like a wooden path. This park is built on the site of two quarries that were deactivated in the 70s. And you can see there's a tunnel over there that passes through the quarry, but the website says that you've got to make a reservation and do a guided tour if you want to go through there. This actually might be a good place to launch the drone. right, this was a really cool park. Really beautiful, nice spot for taking some photos. Highly recommend it. And there's a little bar here down at the bottom too, so that's always a bonus. All right, well, thanks for watching this video, and that was a lot of fun at the park. Stay tuned for the next vlog. Cheers. Bye. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for the next episode. Cheers.